And there you see in the field of view two of the three returning crew members. In the hatchway is Oleg Kononenko, the Soyuz commander. Just outside of the hatchway is Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency astronaut Kimiya. This should be, yes, it is, Kjell Lindgren floating into the field of view as the three crew members prepare to move into the Soyuz vehicle and close the hatch to mark the end of their stay on board the International Space Station. Once they move into the Soyuz and close the hatch, then they will transfer the Soyuz to autonomous power. Its systems were activated about 2 hours ago in advance of hatch closure. And in the middle of your view, partially obscured, that's Sergei Volkov, who will be working on the closing of the hatches and leak checks that will take place, along with Oleg Kononenko on the other side of the Soyuz hatch interface, once the hatches between Soyuz and the Rosviet module are formally closed. Now seeing the crew saying farewell to one another, obviously wishing the departing crew soft landings, as Kononenko and Lindgren prepare to make their way through the hatchway, leaving Kjell, Kononenko, and Sergei Volkov behind as a three-man crew on board the International Space Station, but for a very brief period of time, just 4 days. On the left side of your picture is the leg of Scott Kelly. On the right, Mikhail Kononenko and Sergei Volkov is at the hatchway. Kelly and Kononenko in the home stretch now of their one-year mission on board the International Space Station. Their own landing scheduled for the morning of March 2nd, Kazakhstan time, the evening of March 1st, U.S. time, to wrap up with what at that time will be a 340-day mission since their launch back in March from the Baikonur Cosmodrome. And the hatch between Rosviet and the Soyuz vehicle closed at 9:32 a.m. Moscow time, 12:32 a.m. Houston time. Hatch closed at 12:32 a.m. Central Time, 9:32 a.m. Moscow time. Sergei Volkov in the field of view as he prepares to begin the process of leak checks with Oleg Kononenko on the other side of the docking interface. The hatch closure occurring as the International Space Station passed 253 statute miles over Taiwan.